everyone. Today we will start the revision of chapter 1. Okay, that is nutrition in plants. And today we will take up the topic photosynthesis. Now, what is photosynthesis? As you can see, this is made up of two words, right? First one is photo and second one is synthesis, right? Now, what do you mean by the word photo? Photo means light. Photo means light. And synthesis, think right. Synthesis means to make. Synthesis means to make. So what is photosynthesis? It is a process with the help of which plants can make their own food with the help of light. And basically the ultimate source of energy on the earth is sun, right now? So photosynthesis means the process by which plants can make their own food. Clear? Now, what are the conditions that are required for photosynthesis? Clear? Means what are the requirements? Clear? Now, there are 4 requirements. How many? 4. Clear? First requirement is chlorophyll. First requirement is chlorophyll. Clear? Second requirement, I told you in the definition itself, that is light. Or basically we can go for the sunlight, because ultimate source of energy is the sun, right now? So next requirement is sunlight. First chlorophyll, second sunlight. Now third requirement for the process of photosynthesis is carbon dioxide. Clear? Third requirement is carbon dioxide. We can also write it as CO2. Clear? And fourth and last requirement is water. Fourth requirement is water. And what is the molecular formula of water? It is H2O. H2O. Clear? So these are the 4 conditions that should be there for the process of photosynthesis to take place. Chlorophyll, sunlight or any other source of light, carbon dioxide and water. Now the question is, from where the plant will take these? Clear now? Now let me explain this with a diagram. Suppose this is a plant. Here are the leaves, right? These are the veins. These lines. These are the veins. Clear? Similarly, here also. Now, here will be soil, right? Inside the soil there will be roots. Now, let us discuss from where the plant will get all these. Okay, first, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is already present in the leaves and it is of green color. What is the color of chlorophyll? Green. What is its color? Green. Clear? So, chlorophyll is already present in the leaf. If the leaf is of green color, it means chlorophyll is present. Clear? So chlorophyll is present in the leaf itself. Plant need not to take it from anywhere else. Clear? Now next requirement is sunlight. Sunlight will be taken from the sun. Suppose here is the sun. Now the sunlight will be taken by the chlorophyll. So what is the function of chlorophyll? It will capture or it will trap the energy from the sun. Clear? What is the function of chlorophyll? It will capture the energy from the sun. Okay? Now third, CO2. From where the plant will take CO2? Obviously from the atmosphere, right? So plant will take CO2 from atmosphere. Now, from where it will take? Answer is atmosphere. Now, how will it take? The answer is with the help of stomata. So leaves, they have stomata. Leaves have stomata. With the help of stomata, leaves can take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Clear? Now what are stomata? Stomata are tiny openings which are present generally on the underside of the leaves. Clear? These are the openings which are generally present on the under surface of the leaves. And with the help of stomata, plants can take, or basically leaves can take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Clear? Now last requirement is water. From where the plant will take water? It is quite obvious. It will take the water from the soil. Okay. How will it take? With the help of roots. Clear? So plant will take water from the soil with the help of roots. Now just think. Roots have taken the water. But this water is required by the leaves. Because leaves are the food factory of the plant. Right now, photosynthesis will take place only in the leaves. Why? Because leaves are having chlorophyll. Right? Now, how the water from the roots will reach to the leaf? It will reach with the help of a tube. It will reach with the help of a tube. And that tube is known as vessel called xylem. So basically from the soil, roots will take water. Now xylem is a tube-like structure, pipe-like structure. This xylem will take the water from the roots to the leaves. Clear? Now all the four things, that is sunlight, chlorophyll, CO2, water, they had reached the leaf. Now the process of photosynthesis will take place. Clear? CO2 is there, water is there, right? Now there are four things: CO2, water, chlorophyll, sunlight. Chlorophyll and sunlight will write here. One will write above the arrow, second we will write below the arrow. So here I am writing chlorophyll and here I am writing sunlight. Clear? CO2 and water when react together in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, it results in the formation of food. Right now? And for the plant, their food is a carbohydrate. Their food is a carbohydrate and basically glucose. Okay? So it results in the formation of glucose. You can also write carbohydrate. Okay? Plus oxygen. You know na, oxygen is liberated or released during the process of photosynthesis. So this is the equation of photosynthesis. CO2 and water will react together in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and this results in the formation of glucose and oxygen. Clear? Thank you.